Hello my lovely kids, today is our 11th activity of summer vacation. Today we will make a dog face from origami paper. For that we will need origami paper, black sketch pen and glue. Now we will make tongue of dog with pink origami. We'll cut it in the shape of tongue. Now we will draw nose, now we will draw eyes. So kids, here is our dog face is ready. Practice it at home and send us at Kiyo Nursery and Daycare page. Subscribe our YouTube channel for the more activity videos. Thank you.